This is the Insta360 Ace Pro, an action camera that can shoot in 8K and has tons of features that could elevate your content to the next level. Once you open up the box, you'll see the Ace Pro, which shares a slight resemblance to the Insta360 One RS. On the back, you've got this 2.4-inch flip screen where you can change settings and get a full view of what you're shooting. There's a capture button on the top. On the left side is the door for the replaceable battery. On the right is a power button and your slots for charging and connecting via USB Type-C and a micro SD memory card slot. As all great products do, this comes with an accessory box which includes a magnetic standard 2-prong mount and a 3-prong flexible adhesive mount. It's important to note that this uses an adhesive glue and can only be used once, because as soon as you stick this onto a surface, it's basically stuck there. Then there's a Type-C to C USB cable, and finally some cool stickers with user guides, warranty cards and other documentation. Now, I would definitely recommend you get some accessories to go with this, such as a suction cup or a 1/4-inch screw adapter so you can use this on a tripod or gimbal, all of which can be ordered from 180by2.co.za while stocks last.